So the hair is like that. Like this hair, it was 14 inches.
You make me touch the sky when I'm down. 'Cause when I'm with you, I'm fine. When you go, I'm sad. I like my life with you. 'Cause you're my one love.
Thank you once again for joining us. Happy Wednesday from me to you all. If you are seeing my face for the first time, my name is Maggie. Here is MnSBeautyKonzept YouTube channel. In this channel, like I always say, is a total package. We do a lot of tutorials on how to make different type of wigs, makeup tutorials, DIYs, how to do a lot of beauty products by yourself with your kitchen recipe and natural products, how to grow your hair, how to stay on track in your beauty routine, and a lot more. Check out our playlist, check out our previous video. If you are first time here, don't hesitate to subscribe and put on the notification bell. You might be seeing me, oh my god, Maggie is looking different today. Maggie. You know, like I always say, I like to glow. That's just my hobby, and I like it. That's me. So if you want to improve on your look, you want to have a glowing skin, you want to be outstanding anywhere you are, this is the right channel for you. It's not all about women. This channel is a total package for men, for women. Like most men say, we don't do beauty products. No. Stay tuned, keep it up with this channel, and every Wednesday different new package will be coming out. In today's video, I'm going to be doing review on I'm going to be styling the hair I got from the internet. So I did a video which I titled how to get free stuff from the internet, and the hair was 300 gram and the closure was 2x4. 2x4 closure is 4 inches long, and the bright is 2 inches. You know, in the popular normal closure is 4x4, and they also have 4x6. Like, if you don't know, I'm also hair dealer. I deal on high quality virgin raw hair. The wigs, the wefts you can buy and have at least 5 years guarantee. A lot of my customers, they like bought hair from me for like 6, 7, 8 years ago. They still bring the hair for us to restyle. So when you buy hair from us, we can customize it to wig. And when you have old wig that the style is not really, you are tired of the style, you can bring it. We will reconstruct it to in brand new. And we also do wig washing and bringing old dead wig back to life, or even wet. It's not all about wig. When you have your weave on, or when you are the type that don't always have time to go to the stylist, to sit down to get extensions on your hair, you can bring your wefts. You don't really need to buy brand new. You can bring your old wefts. We customize it to wig. Yeah, like I said before, we customize different wefts to different styles of wig. One thing I love about wig customization is we customize to suit your personality. Yeah, I know there are lots of already made wigs everywhere. When you buy the wigs, that are already made. I don't know, some they use a factory glue to glue it, some they use a factory sewing. I don't really know how they do it. The weft is always tiny, and the weft is always tiny, and you can't lose it to make a new style again, to just remain like that. The quality are always low. There was one I got online, it was a gift as well. Yeah, I thought about making the unboxing and the review, but my schedule was too tight that week. I think the wig is 2 weeks old now. Go and look at it, it's tangled. So I'm going to be bringing the picture, how it looks on their website, and how the wig was. Yeah, I'm not complaining because it was a gift, but I'm also happy that I didn't make the review or unbox it on my channel, because it really looks like deceiving people. Like, you will say because what they wrote 100% blah 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 blah. When I got the hair, I burned it. It was so sticky and it joined together like a plastic. So I noticed the hair was not really 100% human hair. So guys, before I talk, let's go to today's business. Today, that weave on I got online, I'll put the link of the video there. I did the unboxing and the review. It was 300 gram and a closure, so I customized it to wig. Like I said in that video, I said when the time permits me, I will bring you guys along when making it. But this week I was always doing it when I have that energy. You know, for somebody to make a live tutorial on to show how you make something, it really takes a lot of time. So this video I'm going to be styling it. So I've done the wig. So this is my brown MnSBeautyKonzept glam hair. So if you are here and you've not tried our hair, don't hesitate to do that. My email address is on the my about section, and in most video I had it to the description section as well. So I'm going to be wearing this wig. That was among the reasons why I come with line hair. This wig, after doing it, I've not really styled it. I just use the electric iron to like slip it a bit to make hair really flat the way I want. So I've done a video before on how to use electric iron to style your hair. So I will also put the link up there. I'll put it there so you can go check it. So this is a wig. This is what I'm saying. This is the 2x4 closure, and from beginning to end, the wig is hand sew. So what I'm going to do, the first thing you do to make the closure exactly your skin color, because sometimes when I cut closure, I give some inch. I don't cut exactly to the hairlines. I leave some net so that when you want to make baby hair, you put it on top of that neck, and it will save the closure from pulling out as well. In a wig like this, before you wear it, you can use your concealer, your skin color, your concealer or your foundation. You use it, or when you are a specialist, you can as well bleach it to get your color, but in this case I'm going to be using concealer because concealer can stay more. So because concealer is very thick as well and it covers. So now You see it in the beginning, the net was a bit lighter. Now is exactly my skin color. So when you don't want to use too much of your concealer or your foundation, you just concentrate on the T-zone here where the extra net is and the line, so you are as well good to go. You know, because it's a concealer, you know, concealer dries very, very fast. You see the amount of concealer I used, it was not much. So another thing, before I put any wig on my hair, I need this wig hose. This wig hose will protect your natural hair. The first thing, I have to wear my wig hose. I have to wear my wig hose. Sometimes, especially when the closure is a 13 by 14, I use wig band, or I have another one. I'll do another tutorial on how to style 13 by 14 closure without glue or bonding. So this is how to wear a wig. Let me bring it out. The wig is like this. Then you take it so like that here, and you cross it to the back. That is the wig band. Then you take the hair back. So the hair is like that. Like this hair, it was 14 inches. I didn't do it to bob. I just fixed everything. The 300 gram was 14 inches. The closure was 14 inches. This was Sephira hair. I'll put the link of the shop also on the description box so that you can go patronize them. The very first day I saw this hair, I was impressed. Can you see the changes now? Can you see the changes? So I just decided to don't do, you see, this is the extra net. Because I color it to my skin, you cannot know. You cannot know the extra net is still there. This is 300 gram 14 inches and a closure 2 by 4 14 inches. If tomorrow I'm tired of this style, I want to take the closure out, I can change this same weft to make bank cut. I can change to make all back. I can lose this wig because it's so ultra to make a ponytail. Everything you can do with it. That is why I advise people, try to customize the wig, and that is the best decision. Okay guys, this is the wig. I hope you like it. I love it. And the way I style it, this is not a center part, it's not a side part, it's called between center and side part. This part always fits me more, so I like to style my hair that way. Once again, I say thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for always keeping up with us. Please, if you have any other question regarding to wig, regarding to styling, customizing wig, or you have a special wish or video you want me to do, discuss it with me on the comment section. I will definitely come to it. For now, I say thank you. Stay blessed, stay protected, and remain your Maggie. See you guys next Wednesday, 6 p.m. Central Europe time. Till then, I say bye-bye.